1. Security Guard's Creed. As a security guard, my fundamental duty is to protect lives and properties and maintain order within the vicinity or place of duty, protect the interests of my employer and our clients, and the security and stability of our government and country, without compromise and prejudice, honest in my actions, words, and thought, and do my best to uphold the principle maka-Diyos, makabansa, makabayan at makatao. 2. Ethical Standard. As security guard detective, his fundamental duty is to serve the interest or mission of his agency in compliance with the contract entered into with the clients or customers of the agency he is to serve. Thus, 1. He shall be honest in thoughts and deeds, both on his official actuations, obeying the laws of the land and the regulations prescribed by his agency and those established by the company he is supposed to serve. 2. He shall not reveal any confidential matters committed to him as a security guard and such other matters imposed upon him by law. 3. He shall act all times with decorum and shall not permit personal feelings, prejudices, and undue friendship to influence his actuation in the performance of his official function. 4. He shall not compromise with criminal and other lawless elements to the prejudice of the customers or clients, and shall assist government relentless drive against lawlessness and other forms of criminality. 5. He shall carry out his assigned duties as required by law to the best of his ability, and shall safeguard life and property of the establishment he is assigned to. 6. He shall wear his uniform, badge, patches, and insignia properly as a symbol of public trust and confidence as an honest and trustworthy security guard, watchman, and private detective. 7. He shall keep his allegiance first to the government he is assigned to serve with loyalty and utmost dedication. 8. He shall diligently and progressively familiarize himself with the rules and regulations prescribed laid down by his agency and those of the customers or clients. 9. He shall at all times be courteous, respectful, and salute his superior officers, government officials, and officials of the establishment where he is assigned and the company he is supposed to serve. 10. He shall report for duty always in proper uniform and neat in his appearance. And 11. He shall learn at heart and strictly observe the laws and regulations governing the use of firearms. 3. Code of Conduct. 1. He shall carry with him at all times during his tour of duty his license identification card and duty detail order with an authority to carry firearm. 2. He shall not use his license and privileges to the prejudice of the public, the client, or customer and his agency. 3. He shall not engage in any unnecessary conversation with anybody except in the discharge of his work, and shall at all times keep himself alert during his tour of duty. 4. He shall not read newspapers, magazines, books, etc. while actually performing his duties. 5. He shall not drink any intoxicating liquor immediately before and during his tour of duty. 6. He shall know the location of the alarm box near his post and sound the alarm in case of fire disorder. 7. He shall know to operate any fire extinguisher at his post. 8. He shall know the location of the telephone and or telephone number of the police precincts as well as the telephone number of the fire station in the locally. 9. He shall immediately notify the police in case of any sign of disorder, strike not, or any serious violations of the law. 10. He or his group or guard shall not participate or interrogate any disorder, strike, riot, or serious violations of the law. 10. He shall assist the police in the preservation and maintenance of peace and order, and in the protection of life, property, having in mind that the nature of his responsibilities is similar to that of the latter. 12. He shall familiarize himself with the Private Security Agency Law RA 5487 as amended and the PNP SAGSD implementing rules and regulations. 13. When issued a pass, he should not lend his pass to anybody. 14. He shall always in proper uniform. 14. He shall always in proper uniform and shall always carry with him his basic requirements and equipment such as writing notebook, ball pen, nightstick, baton, and or radio. He shall endeavor at all times at all times be merit and be worthy of the trust and confidence of the agency he represents, the client he serves. 4. General orders. 4. Orders to take charge of this post and all company's property in view and preserve the same with utmost diligence. 2. To walk during tour of duty in military manner, keeping always in the alert and observing everything that takes place with sight or hearing. 3. To report all violations of orders I am instructed to enforce. 4. To repeat all calls from posts more to repeat all calls from posts more distant from the guardhouse where I am stationed. 5. To quit my post only when properly relieved. 6. To receive, obey, and pass out the to receive, obey, and pass out the relieving guard all order from company officers or officials, supervision posts in charge or shift leaders. 7. To talk to no one except in the line of duty. 8. To sound or call the alarm in case of fire or disorder. 8. To sound 9. To call the superior officer in any case not covered by instructions. 10. To salute all company officials, superiors in the agency, ranking public officials and commission, officers of the AFP and others of the PNP. 11. To be especially watchful at night and during day of time of challenging to challenge all persons on my post and allow no one to pass or litter without proper authority.